Welcome to this Innova Systems web snippet on 3D sketching. If I jump back into SolidWorks, the 3D sketching tools can either be found on the Sketch toolbar under the Sketch drop-down 3D Sketch, or on the Weldments toolbar 3D Sketch. 3D sketching is very similar to 2D sketching. We've got most of the same functionality and the same tools. So if we choose center rectangle, as soon as we choose a tool, we notice that we get some larger arrows centered on our origin, and we get some letters underneath my mouse. The letters relate to the triad down here and show which plane I'm going to be trying to sketch in. So in this case, the XY plane. If I hit the tab key, the arrows on the origin change, the letters under my mouse change to indicate now I'll be in YZ and finally in ZX. So if I'm going to be starting modelling something related to a table, I can put in a rectangle on the ZX plane. And we can see that's gone in on what would be our top plane in this case because I started the origin. So if I now want to start creating some legs, if I hit and choose lines, I've got to choose something with a Y in it. The reason being is I want to go vertically. So we can stick some legs in. So if I now want to make some cross braces for my table, if I'm in the wrong plane, although it may look like I'm going to the right point, somewhere up towards the middle of my table, if I rotate the view, we can see that actually it's going off somewhere else entirely. Now I've got a couple of choices. I can move to a view where I'm essentially normal to the plane I'm actually want to sketch in, and then let go. The arrows will then automatically update to be in the right plane. Or, if I go back to my previous view, I can find a snap point on my geometry, so in this case the center. And if I click there, it will go to my snap point. The snap point overrides the sort of planar instructions. So I now want to show you some arc tools. So if I draw a line, what I need to do in order to get an arc without going and using the arc tools specifically is go before pressing the A key to the center and come out. If I press the A key, that functionality doesn't work. The A key now will allow me to change which plane I'm in for my arc tool. And then we're going to bring off another line. Now, in terms of relations for 3D sketching, the ones we've got are slightly different. So if I select this straight line, for example, we can see here I've got make along X, make along Y, and make along Z, rather than horizontal and vertical, which of course you don't have quite the same meaning in 3D sketching. So I'm going to choose make along Y. All my other relations working very much the same way as they did before. Now, some things we don't have in 3D sketching: offset entities, mirror entities, and any of the sketch patterns. Unfortunately, they're not available in 3D sketching. Thank you very much for watching.